name is Cindy Blue and I'm so excited about today's video because I have been wanting to purchase some products from Ipsy, and I finally did that, and I just want to see what I got. So Ipsy is a subscription website or company that kind of helps you to get high-end products at an affordable price. So I just went ahead and subscribed to them, and I got a free gift, yay, for subscribing with them. So I just want to see what I got for free from Ipsy. Yeah, so I'm so excited about that. And here it is, the little packaging that I got from them. Of course, here it has my details, so we don't want to be showing that. So yeah, it's gonna go ahead and open it. So yeah, this is what I've received. It's so cute. It's like a purplish color. Smells so good. I wonder what I received. It does say refreshments. I wonder what that means. Is it like a drink? Okay, am I gonna find a Coca-Cola in here, or Fanta? Something, I don't know, water, but let's find out. So I'm just removing it. Oh, this is a refreshment. So I got my refreshments, and it says here skin. Bring it a little bit closer. Right there. Skin, hair, and body care made better for all. Okay. Oh wow, guys, it's not a drink. Not that kind of refreshment. Wow. Smells so good. And then of course with that came this little boxy. Yeah, this little box here, and it's a razor kit. Built-in soothing strip. Built-in soothing strip, 5 blades for extra close shave, help prevents bumps and burns. Okay, interesting stuff. So it's a Lux 5-blade razor kit. If only I could open this properly and not damage it, because I'm not so patient with opening packages. I'm not patient. Oh, right. So, wow. Okay. So I'm just opening this out. Okay. Interesting. What's missing? So I see the little cartridges. Just try and block the light a little. So these are the little cartridges right here. And they are actually, see them right here, and little holder majiggies. Oh, and that right there. Oh wow, it's so cute though. It's like a lilac. This is a lilac. It's so beautiful. It feels metal. This is actually definitely long lasting. It's not plasticky at all. Are there any other surprises on me? Okay. So this is how it comes. Like that. Then what else I received? Okay. I'll just open it. It smells so good, you guys. So good. Oh, there we go. So I got a little baggie. Oh, like those cosmetic bags. Oh, so summery, so cute. Let's see, the little pink holder on there. Oh my goodness, no you don't say. Oh wait, ahead of the pack. Summer vacay on the books. Oh my gosh. My thirst busters. Oh, myths and facts. All the myths and facts are on here. It's so cute, guys. I love it. Oh, Ipsy, you're gonna be seeing me soon. Oh, I got some little goodies on here. Like little samples. Oh my god. What is it? What is it? C8 or shit? C8. What? Is it French? Chiate, London. Okay, that's what it says here. And this one is a cream blush. Velvet cream. Oh, it's a cream blush, y'all. Oh. I'm a fan of cream blushes, guys. I love cream blushes. Oh, look at that cute little sample right there. Oh, I can't wait to try this on one of my tutorials and see how it actually looks on my face. I'm just gonna try a little bit of it right there. Oh, nice. Very subtle, but you can actually build on it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, Ipsy, thank you. And then also in the same little pouchy, I see what is it? It says baby, I believe it. What? Kiss matte lip gloss right there. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Oh, look at that. Oops, let's not spill it. Yeah, I think you can pick it up here better. So smells quite good too. And I see there's a brightening treatment mask right here, and this one is from Archaeology right there. And also I got an eye duty brightening cream. It's nice if you've got those dark circles underneath your eyes. You can always use some brightening creams. So I got that. Thank you, Ipsy. So I also got something else in here. Ooh, and this one is a Refreshment Brilliant Body Bar Coconut Colada. Smells. Ooh, I love the scent. Oh, it's a bar soap, you guys. Oh, it smells so good. As they say, refreshments is so refreshing. It is so refreshing. I love the smell. Ooh, nice. So this soap is actually contains weight. So this little bar soap actually contains organic coconut oil and shea butter. Who's not using shea butter nowadays? Like, it is it. So that's what Ipsy sent me for joining up or signing up with them. I got free refreshments and I'm so grateful, and I'm looking forward to purchasing more products, or makeup to be specific, products from their website. And as I mentioned earlier, it is a subscription type of membership whereby you get to pay you get to pay a small amount for high-end products, which you can get on an affordable price through your subscription. So every month they will be sending, every month that they do send me notifications of what I'd like to purchase. I get to pick what I want, and then they get to ship it to me every monthly, on a monthly basis. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed these. I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share. And until next time.